a lot of shoveling. My snowblower that I bought is ironic. I bought a snowblower this year, cleaned it up, got it going, got it ready. Something happened to it, and now it doesn't start. And I just don't feel like messing with it in the cold. I had it all ready in the summer, and it won't run in the winter. That's sad. But look at all the deep snow. And this is a third melted from what it was earlier. I've got tunnels and pathways out here, and here I had to use a pickaxe. I should have recorded it, but it was a miserable job. And again, it's down a third from what it was. But I had to use a pickaxe to get to the shop because all the snow comes off the roof and falls down in front of the door, which is not really a good setup, to be honest. I'm not impressed with that. I'm going to have to put an awning in front of this summer to prevent that from blocking the doorway so badly all the time. I don't like the fact that this seizes up on me in the winter. And therefore, stuff gets put in here. There's my lumber mill power head. Stuff gets in here and clutters up. And it becomes a mess because I can't get to it. And when I can, I throw things in here. So you can see the clutter. And this is actually the first time I've been in my shop all winter. I haven't been able to get here because, well, for one thing, we were working so much in the store in Gaylord, our Filipino grocery store. If you're not familiar with it, check out Sorry Shop Gaylord, or Sorry Shop .org, and you can Google it and find it by Sorry Shop Gaylord, Michigan. It's SARI shop.org. And you can see our products. And that's why we haven't been here so much. But you see, I've got a good start at making it neat in here. I try to get everything put up. So I'm working my way through. But I am pleased that I was able to use an off-grid power tools, hand tools. I was able to set up a framework here using the saw and I don't even know what you call it, a stand. And I built that frame that's in the bedroom, the frame for the entertainment center I built in here today. I should have recorded it, but honestly I just wanted it done, and it's been something I've been wanting to do. So that's something you probably haven't seen. I don't know. It's an edging tool. It's an antique edging tool, and I hope to get it cleaned up, lubed up, and get using it. That is a really amazing thing that I got, I think, for, I don't know if it was $10 or $20, if that, I bought in the last year. So I hope to get that going one day here. That'll be a nice tool for doing really nice trim work. Could make some money off that, really. And then I sorted out I had got a bunch of hardware and tools and stuff that I'm sorting out. And I finally got it put away yesterday. I was out here. It was beautiful. It was 50 degrees. Like I said, I got no coat on. I'm comfortable. Really incredible. And then for the electronics lab, the hardware store, one of the hardware stores was throwing these away. Not throwing away, they said you could have them for free. And so I've got these trays that hold your plastic dividers. And for my electronics lab, that is the ultimate tool. So I got a few of them, and that was before the snow fell. And I threw these in here, and this is where they've sat all winter. So I'm cleaning it up, getting my wood shop put together, straightened up, and I'll be back to work here in the off-grid wood shop at the off-grid homestead. But it's a lot of work left. I'll get it. A couple days from now, I'll come out here evenings and pick at it. We'll get this straightened up. But it sure felt good to use it again today. I am itching so bad to get that going, the greenhouse. I was out there a month ago checking it out, and it's holding up. It's holding up well. The soil has settled quite a bit, but that's not a problem because I'm going to get more in there. But everything made it through the winter. Now we're going to have to wait another month before we start seeds, because we started some seeds and they bolted because there's not enough sunlight. It's getting better now, but it wasn't a few weeks ago. And they bolted, and then they fell over and died. So there's no point in us trying to do it yet. And once the snow is gone, we'll still have frost for another month. You can't plant here till Memorial, so that's May. So we've still got 2 months before we can plant outdoors. So that's probably going to be another 6 weeks before I work on that. And then we can start our seedlings, maybe 4 weeks. We'll see how it goes with the snow. And I've got a plan to get top on that. And Melanie and I are talking about rainwater collection, and we've got a plan for that too. So that's an exciting plan coming up too. That is milkfish. Melanie ripped a chunk off so you can see she put vegetables. What's in there?
Ginger, garlic, and tomato.
Oh, my mouth is watering. So that's a milkfish from the Philippines. We did sell them in our store, in the proper store. We are not going to do frozen foods anymore. But oh, it's good. Some more repurposing. Some of you may recognize that. That's the gate from the store. And now it's to protect Michelle. That's her room up there. She has her own room. And she's getting to the point now where she needs to be able to run and play on her own. But we want her to be safe. So I'm going to be closing in the handrails with something. I'm not sure yet. I'm working on that today. And now she's got a gate to keep her safe in her room. And that's good. Then we'll be able to let her play when we're upstairs. She can play up there. And when we're downstairs, she can play downstairs. And I'll probably have another gate at the bottom of the stairs. And for further safety, more repurposing of the store shelving, we closed in the stairs so she can't fall through if she ever did get on the stairs. So we're thinking of every detail. And the cat can't get through. 27.2 volts in our off-grid tiny house at the end of the day. It's 5 o'clock. The sun is fading. And we were burning power. And we're still looking good. I love it. Today was awesome. Well guys, the day is coming to a close. The sun is fading. The clouds have rolled in. The clothes are off the line. It did melt a lot. Boy, we played and played and played and played. We had a snowball fight and ran round and round and round. You see where we were throwing snow and thrashing around. We had a blast. We had some fun the last few days. Well, I'm going to go out to the electronics shop. I got to pull out the batteries I've been charging and start shutting things down for the night. Here, the other place I always have to do spring cleaning after a long winter. Although I wasn't in here much. I didn't do much in here, so I didn't junk it up. I just brought a few items in from the house. Oh, we're still in float mode. Nice. Let me see. Does it show up? Nice. I got the Bedini fired up to charge some batteries down below. We're storing the old batteries still. This thing is waiting on a part, waiting for me to get the money to get a part. The solid state relay died. It's missing. So I had bought the wrong one. So that's out of commission. And here I've been charging up batteries for my wood shop. Conveniently, because it's right next to my wood shop. So I've been charging up the batteries using my trusty Ames pure sine wave power inverter, and it's pulling 0 watts. It isn't even needing any power. It's awesome. So even with charging the batteries, although when I first plugged it in, the one, it did pull 30 watts for a while there, but still charging batteries, running the Bedini, and it's still in float mode. That's great to see. That's really good. And that's those 2 solar panels right there. It's all I've ever needed for the electronics lab. That's plenty to do anything I ever need out here. So, pretty cool. I'm loving it. Well, I'm going to take this one back to the wood shop, and when this one's done, I'll put it away, and that's pretty much it for the night. Unless something comes up, I'm going to call it a night and start closing things down. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our videos as we strive to become fully off the grid and self-sufficient on a budget. And today we had some good off-grid and solar power experiences. Talk to y'all later.